Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to enable and use Google Chat in Gmail app. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to get chat option in your Gmail app. And first of all, we have to update the Gmail app. So go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Gmail. And here, if you see any update available, first of all, update the Gmail app. Once done, go ahead and launch the Gmail app. And now, to enable chat option, tap on this hamburger menu. And here, scroll down and tap on settings. And tap on your Google account or Gmail account, in which account you want to enable chat. And here, scroll down. Under general settings, you will find the chat option. Just enable chat from here. And after that, the chat option will be enabled at the bottom menu, as you can see. Now, to open chat, just tap on chat icon and you will directly jump into Gmail chat panel. Now, to send a new message to our account, tap on this new message icon. And in this box, just go ahead and type the email address. So we want to send message. And here you can write message to the account. So that's how we can enable and use chat in Gmail. Also, to make an audio call, you can do it from here. You can also make a video call. And to delete any chat, just hard press on the chat and you will be able to block the contact. And you can hide the conversation from here. You can pin the chat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.